My child has started speaking one word, but he is stuck at that level. How can I move my child from one word vocabulary to 2, 3, 4 word meaningful sentences? You are not the only one asking this question. It is a very common issue for all the parents of children on autism spectrum. And the biggest fear related to this in the parent's mind is, will my child ever be able to learn language and communicate? Being parent of a child on autism spectrum, 12 years back, we were also dealing with this question. But luckily, having an experience in learning industry for more than a decade, we could help our child. And we are here to share the same with you in form of Essential Concepts module. This module contains a step-by-step learning pathway to move your child from one word meaningful or meaningless vocabulary to 2, 3, 4 words meaningful sentences. And this is done through fun learning, engaging activities with 200 plus flashcards and printable worksheets. In this module, your child will learn about the describing words and concepts which are very, very important to make the sentences. Concepts like colors, shapes, big, small, in, out, open, close. By using these concepts, a child can simply create sentences and indulge into a conversation with you. So if you find that your child is also stuck at this age, do not wait because time is crucial. Click on the link below and get this module for yourself.